If you've plugged in an OBD2 scanner and suddenly saw the 7E8 code pop up, you might think something is seriously wrong with your engine. But here's the truth: 7E8 is one of the most misunderstood readings in automotive diagnostics. It looks like an error, but it's not actually a fault code at all. In most cases, it simply means your scanner is successfully communicating with your vehicle's engine control module. In other words, your diagnostic system is working exactly as it should. Important steps. 1. Understand that 78 is not a problem code, it's a communication identifier. 2. Don't panic if you see it by itself, because it does not indicate a malfunction. 3. Look for real diagnostic trouble codes that start with P, B, C, or U. 4. Focus on those prefix codes, as they point to actual issues like misfires or sensor failures. 5. Use your scanner to read full code descriptions before taking action. 6. If you're unsure about the results, consult a qualified technician for proper diagnosis.